Hey, good morning, y'all. I just wanted to do a quick video to kind of basically describe or help illustrate the changes we made to the firewall here recently. So we reduced the travel on both Windows and Doors and Hardy down to cost plus the bucket. So I had to add in 25% so we could discount 25% and use our bucket accordingly. So there's not just one more complexity there as far as having to price or discount the travel separately. That would have been a mess. So here, what we have on the window pricing, we have 125 miles times our 133, and we're getting a 166 total travel fee on the windows. On the Hardy, we have 20, so a 20 square job, and at 20 days times 27 is 540 for the travel there. So what those two figures are going to do, and I just use both to illustrate they're both populating, they're both going to push over to the travel right here, which is we're not done yet. So they're all pushing to this cell, but then this cell is being reduced by your discount right here. And I had to change it to a decimal form to make this whole thing work without making it more complex than it has to be. So this travel includes the travel from the window page and the Hardy page at cost with the markup of the bucket, not markup of the company. Markup of the bucket so it can be discounted, and it takes a discount based on whatever is in this box. And whatever is in this box is populated, as you can see, with the 20,799. It's taking that minus what we have in these boxes here. So that's how it's populating the discount that we gave. So that's a big caveat to this all working properly, and anything outside of this process, so to speak, you're going to have to do some manual math. Again, there's just way too much complexity in, Vendo and all these other things where we still do a firewall, to where I had to wait, kind of make this work for the majority of cases, and it's just not going to work for all cases just because of the way we do firewalls and pricing and everything else in different systems. So this isn't going to work technically for a Vendo job. We're going to have to do some mental math because this retail right here isn't going to populate from what we're doing with Vendo, Infinity Vendo, because it's going to be priced and built and work ordered, everything from Vendo. So it gets a little confusing, but again, as long as you use this process and as long as this discount is accurate based on your pricing, this will account for the bucket and discount it accordingly. So everything makes sense and everything has been priced accordingly. So that's it. Again, like I said, there's a little complexity to it, but again, for probably 80%, 85% of the cases in which we use this firewall, actually probably 95% of the cases, this will work, and it is capturing the travel at a redlined portion with it excluding from the commissions, excuse me, and it also not being over discounted by the use of our bucket. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, y'all.